Welcome to the Good Times We Share. Today we're going to be sharing with you another awesome cupcake recipe. So today we're doing blueberry cupcakes. We hope you enjoy this recipe as much as we did. So the first step is 2.5 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a quarter teaspoon of salt in a bowl. Mix it up really well. Just whisk it all together until it's all mixed. Next, you're going to get another bowl, 1 cup of milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, a quarter cup of whole milk yogurt, just any white plain yogurt, and 2 large eggs. Whisk that all together. Make sure you break the yolks so that everything is everywhere and everybody's touching everybody in that bowl. So just mix it up really well and gently. When that is done, you're going to mix your wet ingredients to the dry ingredients that you had mixed up earlier. Just fold in the flour into the mix gently. Mix it up gently. Be the gentle person that you are with this, because you do not want to beat up your butter too much for that great outcome. So just gently mix that up. After that, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, just fresh lemon juice, and you're just going to mix it in gently as well. When that is done, you're going to get another bowl, get a bit of flour, not too much, which you're going to put in your blueberries. Make sure you just mix them up in there, that they get some flour in them. This helps them not to sink too fast into your butter. And just pour it in there and just fold them into your mixed butter, just gently like that. You can get as many blueberries in there as you want. After that, you're going to put everything into your prepared pan. At this point, your oven should be heating up at 180 degrees, which you're going to bake them between 20 and 30 minutes, depending on how brown you like them. But by 20 minutes, they should be done. So after that is all done, the pan is ready. You're going to put it in the oven, bake them at 180 degrees, and voila. This is awesome. They are super tasty. We hope you enjoy this recipe as much as we did. Until next time, it's bye-bye.